gotta get a thumbnail. I'm so excited. So guys, I'm so excited for this video. I bring you today the most amazing Amazon unboxing. Now this quarantine has led me to do a lot of irrational things. I bought some things that probably could have waited, some things that I needed but didn't need. I've had this on my mind for quite some time. I'm like, you know what? One day I'm going to fulfill my lifetime dream of playing the ukulele. Now wait, before you tell me how amazing that is, before you tell me how much of a rational decision that this was, I don't even need to hear it because I know myself. Now this package came. Don't worry, it's disinfected and all that good stuff. And I've been waiting for this because, like I said, I've been wanting to play this, and I feel like what better time to take on a new talent than now while we're locked in the house on quarantine. So here we are, about to unbox my brand new ukulele. Sorry, I turned my light down because that thing is bright. It's a little bit late, so I don't need all that light in my face. But before we unbox anything, you guys know the drill. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you're new here, hey boo, I forgot. I was so rude. I haven't introduced myself. My name is Bria. Welcome to my channel, Basically Bria. I hope you like it here, and I hope that you choose to stay, of course. So yeah, hit that subscribe button. Now, this is another journey, and I thought, why not bring you guys on another journey with me? And I'm gonna play the ukulele. So I am gonna teach myself how to play ukulele. I'm gonna watch videos, read articles, you know, the whole shebang when you're trying to self-educate on something, especially when learning a instrument. I never learned how to play an instrument except that little like play flute that we've had when we were kids, if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so the ukulele has always been one of my favorite instruments. I am musically inclined. I do enjoy music. I just don't know how to play any instruments. So I decided, why not get a ukulele? And I went along and I got a ukulele. Now this is a beginner ukulele. So if you are a ukulele expert and you come across this video, don't read me. This is my first time even touching a ukulele. So this is a big moment for me. But we are gonna open this together. I'm going to, let's see. I'm gonna start on this side. So we're gonna open it up. I'm so excited. Oh my god. And she comes in this cute box, as you can see. She's such a cutie. Now for the reveal. Oh my god. I can literally cry right now, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't need to be red. But oh my gosh, here she is. I'm not gonna do it. I'll leave the details of this ukulele in the description box down below. Wow. Okay, so this is my beginner ukulele. It doesn't sound how I thought it would sound, but as I'm reading the instructions, it does say like you have to tune it and like tighten the strings and stuff. So I'm gonna play with the strings, tune it up, and then eventually learn a song or two within maybe the next couple weeks. And then I want to carry on my journey as a pro ukulele player. What do you call it? A ukulelist? I don't know, but we'll figure out. Whatever it is, I aspire to be one of those. So yeah, here's my baby. I'm excited to start on this journey. This is the 21-inch soprano ukulele. It's a beginner ukulele. When I get a little more advanced and feel a little bit more comfortable, I will eventually invest in a more expensive and higher grade ukulele. But like, I don't know what I'm doing, so I feel like this is a really good starter ukulele. Yeah, so I think it's really cute. I think I look cute with it. Don't judge me. I just thought it was really cute and I wanted to share it with you guys. I'll share some of my journey with you as well. So yeah, this video was short, sweet, right to the point. I just wanted to share this new journey with you guys and unbox my new ukulele, obviously on camera. So excited, and I hope you guys are excited to embark on this journey with me while we're here in quarantine. And I definitely suggest you guys find a new talent. You never know what you may be good at, especially if you haven't tried. If there's something that you've really been wanting to try and you just haven't, do it, get it. I just literally one day was impulsive. I bought this and here we are embarking on a new journey. And yeah, so here she is. We'll think of a name for her. I don't have anything yet, but when I do, I'll share it with you guys, of course. And that concludes this video. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up. If you still haven't subscribed, please do that as well. Drop a comment below. If you ever played the ukulele before, do you even know what a ukulele is? Do you play any instruments? Like, let me know. Let's talk about this down in the comments. Thank you again for tuning in. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.